Hey gang, welcome back to Unboxed. I'm James, and today we're going to take a look at the WD200 wearable mobile computer from Unitech. Let's check it out. We have the wrist holder, power cable, and it looks like the WD200. Yes indeed, here it is. A bonus product. This is the 2D ring scanner, which I've been told pairs very nicely with the WD200. I'm gonna get cleaned up and we'll be right back to talk a bit more about this very cool little device. See you in a minute. Okay, we're back. So the WD200 is a 3.1-inch Android 10 based mobile computer with Google Mobile Services certification. It's just over half of the size of a dollar bill, so it's really easy to palm, just as easy to pocket. Can also be worn around the neck, on a belt loop like a pager, or as I'm showing it here, around the wrist. When paired with Unitech's ring scanner, it's really fantastic in picking intensive environments like warehousing. It's super lightweight, weighing in at about 1/4 pound. It's got an IP67 rating against dust and water, and it's been tested for multiple drops from up to 5 feet. The WD200 is Bluetooth 5 capable, NFC ready, and also features Wi-Fi and 4G LTE connectivity. We really appreciate the Unitech team sharing it with us so we could take a look and share it with you all. We think you'll be really impressed when you get your hands on it. Until next time, I'm James, and this has been Unboxed.